Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this POCO smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In them, you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Now tap on Manage Apps. Misclick. Manage Apps over here. And tap on those three dots at the top right corner to access default apps. Finally, just click on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Tap on Chrome to set it up. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!